Hi, this is Mike with TabSite. I'm going to lead you through a quick demo on the sign up and setup of a free TabSite account using TabSite's new drag and build system. So to begin with, I'm going to go to www.tabsite.com and I'm going to click on the sign up button. When the page appears, it's going to display all the fan pages that I am an admin of, and I can select one of those to assign a TabSite account to. A TabSite account is unique to each fan page. You can manage them all from one area, so if I have 5 different tab sites under my administration, I can sign up a tab site for each one of them and manage them all from one TabSite manager area, but I do need to sign up a unique account for each one. So in this case, you see the first one that comes up there is called TabSite Demo, and that's just a demo fan page that I've created. I'm just going to scroll down. You can see some of my other fan pages that I have there. And so basically that's the selection process. So I'm going to say I want to assign this TabSite account to TabSite Demo, and for this purpose here I'm going to use the free account. So I go down and I accept the terms and I hit next step. That is basically creating my TabSite account, and when it's done it takes me to the TabSite manager. It says thank you for signing up. Click here to start managing your TabSite. So I'm going to follow the instructions. After I click, it's going to give me the option to select the name that I want for my TabSite. And in this case, since I have a free account, I have 3 options of what I want my tab to be called. I can call it Drag and Build, which is the tool system, the suite of tools used by TabSite. I can call it TabSite, or I can call it Welcome. Now, Facebook allows you to customize that name to whatever you want on the fan page itself, so it's really immaterial here. It's just for my purposes. I'm going to call it Welcome. And I'm going to submit. And this is going to begin the process of installation of the custom TabSite tab on my fan page. So I get this yellow pop-up box. You have not added TabSite to your fan page. To do so, click here. Be sure to add the TabSite tab to the top of your fan page, and I'm proceeding forward by clicking on the link. And when I do, it's going to take me to Facebook, and we'll go through that process because right now we're going to be installing the app on the fan page itself. Loading, and you see at the top here it says, do I want to add Welcome, that's the name of my tab, by the TabSite iframe app, which is us, to, and it says add it to, and I want to make sure I have the right fan page here because it won't work if it's signed up for one and applied to another. So TabSite Demo is indeed the fan page. If you have more than one, they would be in this drop down so that you could look through them all, but in this case that is correct. So I'm going to hit the blue button, Add Welcome Tab by TabSite, and it's going to install that on my fan page. And we're going to bring up the fan page right here, and we can see that it's a brand new fan page. I don't have anything else on it, but I do have a Welcome tab now by TabSite with the custom T icon, and that icon can be customized with our gold plan, so you can have a custom icon there next to your tab name if you so choose. And so I'm going to click on the Welcome tab, and it's going to tell me that I don't have any content in on my tab because I haven't set any up yet. But this is just to show you the tab itself with no content that we've applied to the fan page. There it is. No content has been set up. Log into the TabSite Manager. So I'm going to go back to the TabSite Manager, and there's that yellow box. I've already done that, so now I'm going to X out of the yellow box, and here I am with the TabSite drag and build system. So basically I start with a blank canvas. I'm going to orient you to the page a little bit here. I can preview my page once I have content. I could save it, and I can look at my different pages. With the free version, you get one tab with 2 subpages. So I have working on one page now, and I can create another one and do that. So that's a little orientation there. The big key is the widgets on the side. This is the content widget. If I hover over them, it tells me a little bit about them. The content widget is going to give me the content editor, the full what you see is what you get WYSIWYG editor. I also have the image widget where I can add images to my fan page, and you'll notice there's a difference in these widgets. Some of them are blue or some of them are gray. At the gray ones are not available to me at the free level. It's just showing me what I do have. And for example, here's the video widget. The video widget gives you the ability to add YouTube, FLV, and Vimeo videos to your TabSite. And if I wanted this one, I'd have to upgrade. So that's a little example there. But let's go ahead and get started. The other key item is right up here. It's called Image Tray, where I can add images. And I'm using Firefox, so I have the ability to drag to upload. So I'm just going to go and drag a file folder onto my screen so you can kind of see it here. And I want to get some images into my TabSite. So I'm going to select all of these images, and I am simply going to drag them up into this area, and those images will load into my image tray. You see it's at 0% now, and it's beginning that upload process. I'm going to go ahead and move my images out of the way there. I just wanted to do that so you could see my process. And my images are loading into this area. And while that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and drag a content widget onto my page. The widgets come in. Now it's opening up. And it's asking me if I want to add any text, and I can add simple text, type. Of course, I can add bullets and numbers if I want to. Ooh, misspelling there already. 2, and I'm good to go. If I accept that, add that text back there. Now watch what I can do with this. I'm just gonna click once with my mouse and I'm dragging it. I can move that around wherever I want to. And let's say I want to add a image. Next I'm going to drag that. I'm holding my mouse down and dragging it on. You notice it's giving me some information there. As I move it around, it's telling me where I'm at. So I'm at -2 pixels, which means I'm off the screen. And then at the top I'm at 0. I'm still off the screen at the top, and so I can slide it around. And then it says, do I want to add an image? And I do want to add an image. I'm going to drag one over there.